Alright guys, this is the entrance of New Banana Island. There is a work going on here. Are you seeing this place? Is a bridge that is currently being constructed by the governor of Rivers State, and this bridge construction is going on here for just few months ago, and in the next few months time this bridge will be completed, and this bridge is leading you straight to this land. As you see my line, the New Banana Island with that, so hey, this place go lead you directly like this to New Banana Island, to refinery. No need of to go there follow Akpajo, Eleme, LL1, straight under 3 minutes you don't dey refinery junction from this place. Once the bridge is constructed, you dey see am. You dey see am, so New Banana Island. My bros, good afternoon. How work now? Well done, well done. Now Mercy Homes and Properties now carry us come here, so we come to show our people where want buy land from New Banana Island. So if you are among those people that wants to get a plot in New Banana Island, all you need to do is to call me on 090342966519. And they wait for your call, oh. And they wait for your call. Madam Good News, they wait for your call. You must get a plot at least in New Banana Island.